Hey everybody, Mr. Longo here, and in this video we are going to cover writing equations of parabolas. Basically, you just gotta work backwards. So if this is opening to the right, we know for a fact this has to be a y variable that is squared. So that's our initial setup. Our vertex is at -5, 2, which means that's x plus 5 and y minus 2. Last thought, what's your a value? So your a is your distance from your vertex to your focus, which is 2, or directrix, which is also 2. But remember, this is 4 times a. So 4 times 2 is 8, and you're done. Not that bad. Moving right along. Vertex is at -2, -3, and opens left. Okay, so we're at a -2, -3. So opening left, again, that means we have a y variable that is squared. So that is going to give us a y plus 3 and an x plus 2. It also has a point -3, 1. Now this is the part that gets a little bit different. So you need to use your 4a value, but all you have to do is plug in your x and y. So that means we're going to have a y value of 1 plus 3 squared is equal to 4a, and then you have an x, which is a -3. So you have a -3 plus 2. And a little bit of math will tell you that 4 squared is 16 is equal to 4 times a times, in this case, a -1, which just makes it a -4. So a is equal to a -4. So your final answer for this one is y plus 3 squared. And now we know that our a value is a -4, so -4 times 4 is equal to a -16 times x plus 2. And now that guy is done. Last one for today. You have a focus at 5, 7, and then you have a directrix at y equals y equals 1. So if you think about that, you have a focus at 5, 7, and then at y equals 1, you have a directrix. That means your vertex has to be someplace in between those. Well, remember, the a value is the same distance from your vertex to your focus and your directrix. So if that total distance is 6, 3 away is going to give you 5, 4. Also, if the focus is always inside of the parabola, this has to open up. Meaning, we know this guy has an x variable that is squared, and we have a positive 4a value. Now that we know this is 5, 4, this is x minus 5 and y minus 4. And the distance, our a value, is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, and we are done. That's all it takes. All right, everybody, this is Longo, and I'm out. See you, bye.